I have to say, this year's Knowledge Camp is really a blast. It's really a great event. It's a great repeat of last year. We have even more participants, but also partners and companies who are interested in probably becoming a member or at least working together with us.
We have a productive atmosphere. We are discussing things, we're learning things, and of course we are also rethinking things. And this is a very important thing because we also need to think about what we can do better and where we can still improve our organization and the way we act in the market.
We are not afraid of actually transforming ourselves. We need it. We see the market need of what is actually changing.
The importance of the Alliance is still big because there is more and more topics evolving in the market. A whole sustainability topic, product carbon footprint, the digital product passport, and of course security, Cyber Resilience Act and EU Data Act. These are topics that are still driving the market and that are still keeping the Alliance up. And I'm very happy that we can still deliver the important output for our members.
Well, we can clearly see that our members really matured over time. They achieved another level of expertness. We see a lot more activity among the participants here. We have good questions, very insightful discussions, presentations on actual product implementations, on projects that they've performed, based on the concept that we've discussed in earlier years. In that, we focus more on actually the benefits that, on the one side, our members, but on the other side, their customers are taking out of such projects. And that clearly asks for exchange their use cases and work jointly together on this entire field of interoperability.
Therefore, I'm already looking forward to the next Knowledge Camp.